How does your body detect and respond to sunburn? The process is a fascinating defense mechanism that protects your skin from dangerous UV damage. Discover how your body senses the burn and fights back. When UV rays from the sun hit your skin, they damage the DNA inside your skin cells. This damage is detected by photoreceptor molecules, which act like tiny sensors. These sensors send urgent signals to your immune system, alerting it that harmful radiation has penetrated your skin's surface. This detection is the first critical step in your body's defense against the harmful effects of sun exposure. Once the damage is detected, your immune system kicks into action. It releases inflammatory chemicals like histamines and cytokines. These molecules cause redness, swelling, and pain, classic signs of sunburn. They also attract white blood cells to the damaged area. These cells work hard to repair the DNA damage and remove injured skin cells. This inflammation is uncomfortable but vital to protecting your skin from long-term damage. After inflammation, your body starts repairing the skin by producing new cells to replace the damaged ones. The outer layer may peel away, removing dead or damaged skin. This peeling might seem annoying, but it's your body's way of protecting deeper skin layers from infection and further harm. The repair process can take days, depending on the burn severity, and teaches your skin to be more resilient next time. So the next time you get a sunburn, remember your body's incredible defense system is hard at work detecting damage, activating immune responses, and repairing your skin. This complex process protects you from serious harm. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.